I have spent hours searching on YouTube, trying to find a real way to grow a YouTube channel fast. And honestly, I have watched videos from even the biggest creators, but I have never found a clear, authentic, and step by step guide that actually tells you everything. That's why I have decided to create a clear and meaningful video without hiding anything. Don't miss a single step because I'm going to show you 100% free, honest, and technical method to grow your YouTube channel fast. After watching the complete video, please like and subscribe ITPK. Let's start with the step 1. Decide the video topic the smart way. To grow fast, you don't just randomly upload the videos. You need to plan your every video topic with the purpose. If you already have a niche, that's great. But if not, don't worry. Many successful creators start by testing different video topics and later double down on what performs best. So don't stress over your niche right now. Focus on starting and learning from the results. And if you are still wondering how to create a successful YouTube channel from scratch, make sure to watch this video. I have linked it right here as a YouTube card. Now let's go ahead and quickly watch how to find a trending or hot topic for your video. Just go ahead and type Google Trends in your browser and make sure you're logged in into Google Trends with your email account. Go to Explore tab. First, you can explore all of the countries here. If you want to target any single country, you could go ahead and type the name of that country here. For example, I want to target United States. I want to search the topic or the keyword for last 90 days, not so old. Categories, I will leave it as it is, all categories. And here I want to select YouTube search for the topic. Let's go ahead and try to do some searches. I want to search how to download. Let's see. Here we have the interest over time for our query, that is how to download. Here are the subregions interest according to our query. Let's scroll more down and here we can see a lot of keywords, results and their ranking according to Google Trend. We can see how to download schedule 1 for free. Here is the ranking. We can see how to download rematch and all of these searches the people across United States search for. We could just go ahead and download all these searches to our computer and we could use it later on to generate SEO optimized keywords. So stay with me, I will guide you through that as well. Now let's quickly go ahead and we want to search the keyword YouTube automation. Here we want to select worldwide. Let's see the result for worldwide. We see the good interest over time for the keyword YouTube automation. Here are the interest by regions, and here we could see some top query about YouTube automation that are AI automation, AI course, YouTube automation course, and lot of them here. Again, you could go ahead and download these queries directly to your computer because we will generate SEO optimized title, tags, and description from these keywords. Alright, so we have just used Google Trends to find out what people are actively searching for on YouTube in a specific country or globally based on the timeline, location, and keyword interest. That's a great way to spot hot trending topics, but now let's go even deeper. Next, we will use YouTube Trends, which gives you insights directly from within your YouTube studio. This is more specific and tells you what your viewers or potential audience are actually looking for. If your channel is new and you see limited or no data here, then don't worry. That's normal. YouTube needs some views and activity first. You can just use Google Trends to find your video ideas until this section starts showing more insights here. Under the Get Ideas for your next video section, you can search for any topic or keyword and YouTube will show you what people are actively searching for. I search a few questions to see which topic have high interest or possible content gaps. It's a great way to find video ideas that are already in demand. Once I found a high search query from the Trends tab, I clicked on it and I open it inside the Brainstorm Ideas tool. Brainstorm Ideas is a YouTube tool that helps you generate titles, thumbnails, and video outline using AI. Here, YouTube gave me AI-powered suggestions that match my style and help me turn ideas into full video plans. It's a quick, smart, and makes content creation much easier. Now here you can search and find what people are searching for. This will show all of the searches from your audience which are searching these keywords and queries on the YouTube. And you could go ahead and decide creating video on any of these topics on the basis of medium interest, high interest, or very high interest. Now, as I have searched and selected a topic with high interest on YouTube trends, which means the topic has a high chance of getting views and growing on YouTube right now. Now, to make sure my video actually ranks and reaches people, I use the free version of ChatGPT to generate a perfect SEO optimized title, description, tags, and thumbnail ideas, all based on this trending topic. You could just go ahead and sign up to ChatGPT and use free version with your Gmail account. We don't need a pro or plus version here. Now I will paste my topic and a simple prompt in ChatGPT. It will instantly give me a high ranking title, a strong description, relevant tags, and even thumbnail text ideas, all customized for my video. You can do this too using the free version, and it saves so much time while boosting your video visibility. Now I got everything perfectly SEO optimized, the title of the video, the description of the video, relevant tags I asked for, and here I also got the thumbnail idea or the text that I can use in the thumbnails. SEO is what takes your video from zero views to thousands of views. It's how the YouTube algorithm knows where to place your content. So if you skip it, you are leaving growth on the table. Now it's time to create your thumbnail. This is one of the most important parts of your video. Even with great content, if your YouTube thumbnail doesn't grab attention, people won't click on it. I use Canva free version to create all of my thumbnails, and here you can see dozen of them I have made without paying anything. These all are made in Canva, free, clean, and optimized for YouTube. No need for Photoshop or premium tools. Canva is fast and beginner friendly. You just have to go to canva.com and sign up your email with few simple clicks, totally free. Remember, to really grow your YouTube channel, you need to follow this process for every single video you create. It's not about uploading one video and expecting instant success. YouTube rewards consistency, quality, and smart strategy. But if you keep creating videos using this clean, free, and authentic method, your channel will grow. So if this video helped you, hit the like button, subscribe for more real YouTube growth tips. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.